Hi, welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about how to get dark mode on Facebook Messenger app. First, open your Facebook Messenger app. Next, send the moon emoji to yourself or to a friend. Keep in mind there are about 3 moon emojis, so make sure it's the right one. You'll see an animation when you have the correct moon. Basically, it's the one with no face. To the top, you'll then see a notification letting you know that you have enabled dark mode. And now, when you click on your profile icon, you'll see an on-off toggle button for dark mode. You'll also see a message from Facebook letting you basically know dark mode may not appear everywhere and they're still working on it, but welcome to dark mode. And thanks for watching how to get dark mode on Facebook Messenger app. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below.